Let's see the fourth stanza of the poem, A Nation's Strength. The stanza is, and is it bright? And that bright crown has seen to nations wit, but God has struck its luster down in ashes at his feet. Luster, it means sign. In the third stanza, we have studied that power is not enough to make the country strong. Power doesn't make the country strong. In this stanza, the poet has put another question, that is it a pride that makes the country strong? Then the poet has given answer indirectly that no, even pride does not make the country strong. Even we look into history, we know that kings, emperors, rulers, they were fond of wearing bright crowns on their heads. They were taking pride in wearing such bright or shining crowns. They were considering them as powerful. They fought many battles. They won many battles. They conquered many kingdoms. They were glorified. Rulers, emperors, they were glorified. But their glory was not permanent. Their pride was not permanent. Finally, with the passage of time, their glory faded away. See that bright crown has seen to nations wit. The kings or rulers or emperors, they were wearing bright crowns on their heads. They were feeling very proud that they were very powerful, and they fought even against the weak rulers or weak kingdoms and won battles. So there was no glory in it. But God has struck its luster down in ashes at his feet. But we know those rulers, kings, rajas, emperors, their luster down, their glory, it was not permanent. With the passage of time, their glory was decayed, their glory was ruined, their glory was buried. So, in this stanza, the poet has said that pride doesn't make the country strong. Thank you, student.